Cosmo, are you upset because you're trying to eat your toy and you can't? Cosmo, you can't even lift the toy. You're so upset. You can't eat this one. You can't even lift it. You're Hercules. I can't even believe you're moving it. This is hilarious watching you. What are you doing? Okay, well, if the toy's upsetting you, we won't play with it. I know you're really not big enough to play with it yet, but I thought maybe you would have fun just spinning the things. But if you can't stick it in your mouth, you want no part of it, do you? Yeah. What are you doing? Are you having a seizure? I used to think you were having seizures all the time, so I don't think you're having a seizure. I think you're just learning how to play with your saliva in your mouth. Can you get a close-up? Just wanted a close-up. I'm backing off. Yeah, I think you're having a seizure now. I'm gonna call 911. Take you into emergency. Huh? Oh. Okay, well, I'll have to stop the video to call the hospital. Now that you're done having a seizure.